Bitcoin alert. Today could be your final chance, my friend. Yes, my friend, today could be your final chance. As you see, guys, that the daily candle here, it finished and the Bitcoin doing exactly like how us we told you in yesterday video. We show you here in that place. We told you when we fall down, we need a green candle. The green candle came here. Now what we need another candle to come to break for us that last high here of 99k for us to know the Bitcoin is going to go more higher than the first scenario. Second scenario, the Bitcoin from here going to give us a price action, and he couldn't break the last high. That means we couldn't break that 99k, and if the dump happen here and we're breaking down here, it's going to give us a double top, and that's going to be very bad for Bitcoin, and we're going to see the Bitcoin dumping from there. By the way, guys, before we continue, I want that video to reach to 100 like, and know you can do it, so please, my friends, smash that like button if it's possible, and write with it a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. As today, as you see it, guys, we enter a long here. As you see it, what happened after that long we enter in it? It hitting the first take profit of us. We move stop loss to entry point. Now us we are risk free. If it continued going more up, fair enough. If it fall down, fair enough. So if you are interested in those type of signals, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video. You click at the link, you're going to land it here in Patreon. You click at join, either VIP cryptocurrency or elite. You finish the payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, you can text me either here in Patreon or in the free Discord or free Telegram, and we're going to solve those problems for you. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as me I told you here, Bitcoin today gave us here a green candle like how us we show you before here. What that indicating? It indicating one thing, maybe Bitcoin is going to go more higher, because let me zoom those things to show you what's happening here. If you're looking with me here, guys, after the candle here, same pattern will happen in the top. Bitcoin fall down, till down here, give us down here a indecision candle. Then after that, give us a green candle. Then what happened? The Bitcoin came and breaking the last high. We used to be here. Yes or no? Same thing now happening in that place where we are. If you look in here, we got an indecision candle, the one here. It came next to it a green candle, that's very good. Now what we need to wait the Bitcoin to come to break for us that last high here of 99k. If that happen, that means that correction will happen here. It's just a normal correction, and the Bitcoin is going to continue going more upward than that. That's the first scenario, guys. Second scenario, what is it? Second scenario, the Bitcoin from here, we couldn't break the last high here. That means he couldn't reach or break that 99k, and from here is going to fall down to give us another price action here. And if that happen, it's going to give us here a clear double top, guys. If that happen here and it's breaking down here, that is going to be a double top or a M, and that is going to be that 99k is the top of Bitcoin. So what we need to do, we need to wait the coming days what they are going to tell us. If a candle came and breaking 99k, everything still looking green, nothing to be worried about. If a candle or the Bitcoin couldn't break that 99k, and from here give you here like a clear double top like that or a M, and fall down and breaking the neckline down here, you need to enter a short, my friend. And if you hold in Bitcoin, you need to sell some of it. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now we're going to see Bitcoin ETF, Bitcoin funding rate plus Bitcoin heat map. So let's go in there to start it together. Here we are guys in Bitcoin 8F. Yesterday we don't got the data for all of them, but today we got it. As you see yesterday what happened. Our friend Grayscale will show it to you yesterday. Fidelity they sold minus 1.03k. BITB they bought 69k. Bitcoin they sold 24 Bitcoin, but Grayscale Mini they bought 51 Bitcoin. The total Bitcoin being sold yesterday is at minus 1.32k. Today what happened? Today it's been a green day for crypto market. As you see it here, we don't got the data for everything. Grayscale hasn't bought nothing. BITB or BlackRock, they haven't buy nothing. Fidelity, same thing, but we're still waiting the data because that two here, we don't got the data of them. BITB, they bought 521. Easy Busy, they bought 30 Bitcoin. Grayscale Mini, they bought 130 Bitcoin. The total Bitcoin being bought today is it plus 682. So even we pumped today, but not a huge one. But we still waiting the data because the data takes some time to come. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now we're going to see Bitcoin heatmap plus Bitcoin funding rate. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin heatmap, guys. Here the Bitcoin heatmap. Yesterday we showed it to you. We told you the Bitcoin is going to go to hit all those tops they used to be in the top. That's what happened exactly. Now at this time we don't got a lot of stops here in the top. Place where we got stops is it down here, that indicating one thing, maybe the Bitcoin is going to fall down to hit all those stops down here. That's possible, guys, but if there is no one selling, maybe we're going to see the Bitcoin pumping from here. Also, we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours. We used to have here a small head and shoulder here. In 5 minutes it's breaking the neckline, but also we don't enter base on 5 minutes. Also we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming hours if the Bitcoin going to pump again to hit here. So also we're still waiting, but the place we got huge stop losses is it down here. Plus we got a lot of stop or orders at 100k. So let's wait and see if we're going to hit that 100k this week or no. So I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see Bitcoin funding rate, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin funding rate, guys. Here as you see today the funding rate it fall down like how it used to be down here in that place here. Yes, we haven't fall down a lot, but the funding rate it fall down. That man is very good for the market, and maybe we're going to see the market pumping more than that. The number of people they shorten it's small, so also we're still waiting to see what's going to happen in the coming days and coming hours. But that very good sign, maybe there is a pump coming. Funding rate is very low. That very good sign, but let's wait and see what's going to happen. Now let's going to see the coming news of today, guys. So let's go in there. Coming news of today, guys. As you see it, we don't got something special today. We just got Thanksgiving Day. That man in USA or US market is going to be a holiday. Yes, in Bitcoin there is no holiday, but we need to be careful if the market going to be flat today. As you see it here, it's going to be today and tomorrow. By the way, happy Thanksgiving to everyone who watching us. Another thing we got today is a Germany CPI, so you need to be careful even at that one, that inflation data of Germany, and Germany is the European Union. Over here is our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day, guys. Here, look at it, what it telling us. Nasdaq closed the day red, SP 500 closed the day red, Dow Jones closed the day red, but there is no huge move. Even those red candles, they haven't moved a lot. Our friend down here, the VIX, as you see it, guys, it doesn't move a lot. 14.10. That means there is nothing to be worried about. Also, we haven't touched the bottom and we haven't touched the top, so there is nothing to be worried about. Just hold your Bitcoin and hold your crypto and even stock market till the right time. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see it. Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here, look at it, very clear. We're breaking down here the 20 moving average. Today we close above the 20 moving average. That's a very good sign. But as I told you, also we're still waiting the break of that last high here. If a candle came and do like that, it's going to be very good sign. The bulls, they came back. And another thing now we can make something like that, like a megaphone here, as you see it, guys. But also we are not going to enter based on megaphone here in the top. Megaphone also use it if it's getting broke down here, we can catch a short. But for long, now you got here a small downtrend. I'm going to show it to you in relation to lower time frames, but everything's still looking great. We break above the 20 moving average, same thing like how it happened here. Now let's wait if the Bitcoin from here going to go more higher and to break for us that last high here at 99k. So also we're still waiting. The levels, you need to look at them closer here in the Bitcoin. That level we bounced from it today here at 9808, that one here. That level where we are is it at 95,486. That one here, that one is it our take profit is it at 102,603. So those ones, the levels, you need to look at them the coming days. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's going to see the Ethereum was saying today, because Ethereum has got a lot of things. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum here in the daily, guys, because that one here, it happened something very important in the Ethereum. We're breaking that very stronger downtrend here. We're being hovering next to it. Look at it. We touched the first, we touched the second, third, and in the fourth we break it. Now what the view, there is one of two. Either the Ethereum going to fall down here to touch that stronger downtrend, and after that going to continue going upward. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, that breakout will happen here, just a fake breakout, and we're going to see the Ethereum from here falling down. Now let's going to see the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. The Ethereum here in the 4 hours, guys, what it's saying here, if you remember what me I told you in yesterday video, I do it like that, and I told you guys that level here, it give you here 3 times, it touch and then it fall down, as you see it here. Same thing, it touches here, then it give us a new high here. Now what you need to do, you need to wait to see what's going to happen here. Either from here is going to fall down and to break lower here, so you can catch a short. That if, of course, if you want to catch a short. Second scenario, what is it, guys? Because if you're looking with me here now, what you got? You got here like a up channel like that. You touch the lower of it here. Now maybe the Ethereum is going to go to touch the top of that channel. Even that one, it's possible, guys. If we're looking at our indicator, what it's saying here in the Ethereum, let me show you. Our indicator, guys, we still have here a divergence, as you see it here. That's a divergence, guys. Very clear divergence here. Should we enter a short based on a divergence? Also, we don't enter based on divergence. People, they been with me, they know that. Also, we are going to enter only if there is a price action. The only thing now you can make is an uptrend here, the one here, and you're waiting if the Ethereum breaking down here, you can catch a short. But me, I don't think so. It's going to break down. I think so. It's going to go till $4,000. Then from there, we're going to see what's going to happen in the coming hours. So I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see it. Bitcoin is doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Bitcoin, it do something very important. As me, I told you yesterday, I told you that yellow one here, that the very stronger uptrend in the weekly, we break it here. I told you that break will happen down here, maybe just a fake out, and me, I give you here an entry long. If you remember why also we give you, if you watching yesterday video, will love you understand why. Now here what we got, look at it, guys. We got here a megaphone, very clear megaphone here. That megaphone, I show you how to trade it. But we got another thing here. Is it the downtrend here? That of course, if you missing the entry with us from down here, if the break happened here, you can enter another long, my friend. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, maybe the Bitcoin from here going to fall down and to give us a very clear cup and handle. And if that happens, it's going to be very bad for Bitcoin. Now what else we need? We need to wait the break here. We need the Bitcoin to break that 99k and to touch 100k. That it's need to happen, guys. Another very important thing here happen in Bitcoin, let me show it to you. Is it that one here? We touch here the 100 moving average, and may I tell it to you yesterday, it give us here a pin bar here. That's why us we enter along, us we enter from here, because us we wait in the price action. Price action tell us it's hitting for us the first take profit. It was in that low here, that one here. That the first take profit of us. Second take profit of us is it in that high here, that one. So us we still waiting, and I show you in yesterday video the volume profile here. I told you look at that place where we used to be. If you're watching our last videos, now we'll have you making nice money. Now we breaking the 20 moving average and even the 50 moving average. Now what we need the Bitcoin to go more higher to break that last high here. That the first scenario, guys. Second scenario, because as you see the volume profile in that level here, or that order block here, we got a huge level there, exactly here at 98,417. So we need to see what's going to happen in that level, guys. If we're going to touch it and we're going to break it, that means the Bitcoin is going to break for us even that 99k. Second scenario, that just a correction and the market going to give us a price action, and from here is going to fall down. Also we're still waiting, guys. Now it's going to see our indicator we're saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we have here the divergence downtrend here. Now we are in it. As you see it, guys, now we are in the divergence downtrend. Divergence we used to be here. That will push the Bitcoin that falling down from 99k till 93k or 92k. Now we are in the divergence downtrend. Now what we need the Bitcoin to come to break here for us to know the bulls they came back again. And may I show it to you. And yesterday I told you last time from here, based on only in our indicator, last time from here we bounce, and we used to be in yesterday video in it. If you enter in yesterday, we'll have you make nice money from it. Now another very important thing, there is no bears in that market, guys. Our indicator is prefer to stay all in a place where the bulls they controlling. Now the only thing you need to focus about is that one here, the downtrend here. It need to be broke for us to know the bulls they came back again. At this time you need to look close at the divergence downtrend, guys. I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see it. Bitcoin is doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here, if you're watching yesterday video, we show you that one here. We show it to you a lot, guys. By the way, we told you if it's breaking here, enter along. We do it like that, and we told you even that one here, if it's getting broke here, enter along. We show you all those things. So if you're watching yesterday video, all of you make nice money. Even in the top 9 of the video, you used to have that one here, that one exactly, that megaphone here, that one exactly is getting broke here. That when us we enter that long, first take profit of us, it was here, it's being hitted. Second take profit of us is it a little bit higher, as it exactly here. So us we still waiting. Now us we moving stop loss to entry point. That means us we are risk free. So now what you need to do, if you haven't entered or you haven't watched our yesterday video, you got here an uptrend. Look at it, guys. You see it how I started from that one and that one. That one you need to see if the Bitcoin going to fall down to test it, then after to give you a new high. Even that one it's possible. But the first scenario, second scenario, you can come and do something like that, but that one is going to be not 100% to try to catch an entry long from here, because now you are in the top. So you need to be careful. For short now, if the Bitcoin give you here a price action like a head or shoulder, double top, something like that, you can catch another short, because level you are in a very stronger level. So now you need to wait what's going to happen here in that level, and at that time I will be careful not to enter along exactly at this time. At this time, you need to be careful because you are in the last high, guys, 99k. So you need to be careful what's going to happen there. I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator we're saying here in Bitcoin, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see, the top one is it at the extreme overbought area. You go here like a small divergence from those ones. Should we enter a short based on those things? No, my friend. Also, we don't enter in divergence or something because also we used to have here down a divergence that we showed it to you in yesterday. That's the reason also we've been waiting the price action. When the price action came, also we entered that long, and that long it had the first take profit. Now here, also we are in a place where is the bulls they controlling that, man. There is no short, guys. We need to wait the most important thing, the price action. So I think I explained everything to you guys without making that video too long. So that's it for that video, and please guys, make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if it's possible, share that video with your friend and your family. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.